So, dear children, here I would like to just discuss few things. Children, earlier also we have discussed about, so we have to save ourselves. Okay. So, in this corona pandemic and in this festive season, the first priority is to save ourselves. So, I hope everybody is aware here. Class ninth. Class ninth. So children, you have to be very careful and you have to be very vigilant. So social distancing is one of the most important thing. So you have to see that. So wash your hands properly, stay at home without, if there is an urgency, then only go outside your home. Otherwise, be at home, be safe, and also those those who are your relatives, and if you see anybody that he is a little bit careless, please educate him also, educate him or her also, because in this pandemic, children, till the vaccine is not there, and if the vaccine is not properly tested, definitely we will we are not safe. So children, in case even if your immunity is good, then also it is very dangerous, because it actually makes your body weak, and then the side effects are also dangerous. One of my relative was corona positive in the month of May, and he recovered from that, but still he is feeling the weakness. So he is a government employee and he is posted outside Lucknow. And now, 15 days back, what he has done, he just given an application there that he is not feeling well. He is he is very just because of weakness, he was not able to work. So children, it is not like that. If you have recovered, if somebody has recovered, then after that the side effects are very dangerous, because आपकी बॉडी को इतना वीक कर देता है ये, तो उसको रिकवर होने में बेटा 6 महीने भी लग सकते हैं. तो जब तक मेडिसिन नहीं है, मोदी जी भी कहते हैं कि जब तक दवा नहीं है, कोई भी लापरवाही नहीं करेंगे. एंड काइंडली मेक others also aware of this. Okay, now children, we are going to just discuss about the question paper. Last time, I hope your query was solved. So any problem, any question which you want to discuss? Any question, if you have any problem, please tell. Yes. No issues. No issues. If all the menus are okay, then it's okay. If all the menus are if you all the choices you are able to implement, then it's okay. No issues. Yes. Any other question if you want to ask, please ask. Any other question? So children, for loop you all have understood? And I have explained while and do while also, I think. Do while I have not explained, but while I have explained. Okay. So children, let us just practice some questions which are based on while. So here children, here there is a class automorphic number. So today we are just going to discuss what are automorphic numbers. So here first of all I would like to tell you what are automorphic numbers. Children, suppose you have a number 25 and 25, the square of 25 is 625. Now the square of this number is 625, and you can see that this 25 exists in this 25 exists in this number at the end. So that is why it is automorphic. One more is that if it is 6 square and it is 36, so you can see that this 6 exists at the end here also. If it is 625 and its square is 390625, then you can see that this number also exists at the end. So children, such numbers are automorphic numbers. So any issues, then please tell. Children, in yesterday's class few of you were not able to join, right? So I just request those children who are having any query regarding the previous class, you can directly WhatsApp me on my personal number, so I will arrange something for you. So if you have any problem, any doubt, I will be solving your doubts. Okay. So now automorphic number here. Okay, see that. So children, how to do that? First of all, we need to declare a number. We need to make a copy of that. And after that, here we need to find out the square of the number. And we need to count the digits also. We need to count the digits also. These are the variables which we need. So children, here one variable is needed for the number, another variable is needed for the copy of the square, one variable is needed for the square of the number, and actually C is needed for the total number of digits, and one more variable P is needed. Actually, I'm just telling you what is the logic here. Suppose the number is 25. So you can simply count the total number of digits. The total number of digits are 2. So you have to do 10 to the power 2. So you will get 100. And then what to do is, the square of this number is 625. So if you modulus this number by 100, you will be getting 25, and which will exactly match with this. So if this is the case, the number is automorphic. So I hope everybody has understood, and if not, then please tell. So here what to do? Here just declare this variable, this is scanner class object, so that you can input the number. And here what to do is just enter number, so that is numbers. So we have entered the number here, and the square of the number you need to find out. So we have done that, and here copy of the number you have made. Now you need to count the total number of digits. So I will be using the copy one. So that is why copy is more than 0. Copy is equals to copy by 10, and p is equals to p into 10. This is what I have done. Not p is equals to p into 10, but c is equals to c plus 1. And here it is p is equals to int, p is equals to int math.pow 10 comma c. So children, why I have done this, I would like to show you. You can see the value of p. Here you can see the number is suppose 25. You can see the value of p is 100, because 25 is having 2 digits, so 10 to the power 2. So if it is 3-digit number, then it will be definitely 1000, because 3 digits are, so that's why 10 to the power 3. So this is how the value of p is coming, and this p is useful when you want to extract the last c number of digits. So what to do with this now? If the square mod p is the number itself, then here it is said to be automorphic. Else so not automorphic. So here what you can do, just execute this. Now here suppose the number is 625. You can see it is automorphic. And if the number is 25, it is automorphic. If the number is 7, it is not automorphic. So I'm just going to provide you the dry run of this. Suppose the number is 25 here. The copy is also 25. The copy is also 25. The square is 625, which is this one. Children, here you are counting the digits of 25. So twice this loop will go, and 2 times c will get incremented. So finally when this loop terminates, the value of c is 2. So 10 to the power 2 means 100. The square of the number is 625, and if you modulus this, you will get 100. So sorry, last 2 digits will come. So 25, and this is also 25. Both will match. The number is automorphic. The number is automorphic. So any problem with this code, then please tell. Yes. Beta, here copy is needed, because after that we want to compare it. Because you can see that after we have got math.pow raised to the power that, you need to have that 10 to the power c. So when this loop got terminated, the value of copy will get reduced to 0. But if we are not taking this copy variable, we will be using num. So num will get reduced to 0. So here we will get 25, but here what you will get? Here you will not be getting that original number. That's why it is needed. And even if you don't want to get this square, if you don't want this square variable, it's okay, no issues. Just leave that. So here in place of square, what you need to do is, you need to do simply num into num. So now it is fine. This you can do. But the copy of num is needed. You need to have. You need to have the copy of that. Got it? Okay. One more thing, children. Here, anybody is having any doubt, please tell me. In this question, if you have any doubt, class 9th, any doubt? Okay, now one more thing. Children, if few variables we want to remove, suppose we don't want to write this, then also we can do. So in that case, what we will be doing, we need to have this p is equals to 1, and in place of c is equals to c plus 1, we need to write p is equals to p into 10. So we don't need to do that math.power, because suppose there are two digits in the original number, so twice p into 10 will happen. So that is equivalent to math.power 10 to the power c. Suppose we have 25. So twice it will go. So initially p is 1, so 1 into 10, which is 10. And then next time it is 10 into 10, which is 100. So when this loop terminates, the value of p is 100. So when it terminates, the value of p is 100. So it is 25 into 25, which is 625, and 625 mod p, which is 100. So 25 and both are same. So it's okay. It's working. So even if you don't want to calculate the value of p like the previous method, you can use this method. No issues. Suppose it is 625. It's working. It's fine. If you have any confusion, any query, then please tell. Class 9th. Okay. Now children, one more question we are going to do. And this time the question is Armstrong number. How many of you know Armstrong number? Children, what is an Armstrong number? Please tell. Beta, please tell what is an Armstrong number. Children, it is not an Armstrong number. And here example of Armstrong number is, children, suppose you can see on the screen there is a number 1634, 1634, 1634. So that is, you can see that the power of 4, every digit raised to the power 4 also gives you the Armstrong number. So in that case, what you need to do is just you need to count the total number of digits. 123 is not an Armstrong number, but 153 is an Armstrong number. So here you can see that 153 is an Armstrong number. The cube of every digit, the sum of the cube of every digit gives you the number. And here the digits raised to the power 4, the sum of the digits raised to the power 4 also gives you the number. I hope it's clear. Class 9th. So children, this is what we have to see. So I hope most of you earlier, your previous definition of Armstrong number is now not correct. Yes, I hope a few were already knowing this, what is an Armstrong number, but you were knowing only that the digit raised to the power 3, right? So actually children, this is Armstrong number which I have told you just now. Now what to do with Armstrong number here? So first of all, you need to declare a variable num, and then what you need to do is just you need to declare a variable copy of that, and you need to count total number of digits. One more variable is needed which is for the sum. One more variable is needed for the sum. One more variable is needed for the sum, and then here it is scanner new scanner system.in. We want to input that, and here just enter number, and that is num ss.nextInt. Here you need to make the duplicate copy of that. So first of all, children, you need to count the total number of digits, and the copy is very much needed here. So simply you just count. So while copy is more than 0, c is equals to c plus 1, and here copy is equals to copy by 10. This is what you have to do. And now after this, what happens, children? This copy will become 0. And then you need the original number. And now suppose total number of digits are 3 and the number is 153. In this case, what you need to do is just you need to find out the cube of every digit. So it means the original number will be involved. So it simply means whenever you want to extract the digits, you need to have the while loop. So children, actually in order to extract the digits, you need the while loop. So here what you need to do, copy is, or you can write num is more than 0, and then you need to extract the digits. So for digit extraction, you need to have one more variable, which is a, and here a is equals to num mod 10 and sum is equals to sum plus int math.pow 10 a comma c, which is total number of digits which you got just now, and num is equals to num by 10. So children, this is the process which you have to do. And now what to do is you need to check if the sum matches with the original number, because here you have got the cube of every digit and you need to check the original number. Now one question, class 9, from where do we get the original number, children? Class 9th, the code is on the screen. One basic question, from where do we get the original number? Hurry up fast. Please tell. From where do we get the original number? Children, listen. Original number was in the num variable. That has been reduced to 0 after this while loop. And copy was also having the number, but copy, just because of this loop, copy has also got reduced to 0. So we cannot get the original number right now because num and copy both have become 0. So how to get the original number? It simply means that here we need to make the copy of this num again. Otherwise, we will not be able to compare the sum with the original number. So here what to do? I am just going to explain you with the help of the dry run. Please see. The number is 153. Okay. The copy is also 153. And the number is also 153. Okay. Now this loop is started, and here we are reducing the number, we are eliminating the digits. Copy is equals to copy by 10 means simply it will eliminate the digit. So what is happening here? We are eliminating the digits. 3 will get eliminated, then 5 will get eliminated, then 1 will get eliminated. So copy will become 0. So here if we are not making the duplicate copy again, copy will become 0. And now we are extracting the digit here with the help of that. We are finding the digit raised to the power c, adding, and then we are reducing the number. It simply means when this loop terminates, num will also become 0. So here we will not be able to compare the sum with the original number because any other copy we have not made. Because both the copy and the number have become 0. Class 9th. Any doubt? What I want to say? So this is what, that's why children, we need to make the copy of this variable num again. This is very important statement. Otherwise, every time it will tell you when this message you are going to display that copy. I'm just writing copy because I have used the original one, and here I want to display that the number is Armstrong, else not Armstrong. Children, for time being, I'm just removing this statement. Suppose I'm removing this statement, I have removed. Now see that. The number which I'm providing you is 153, and it is saying that it is not Armstrong. Why? Because here the sum is 0, and the sum is sum, which is 153, and copy is 0. That's why it is not able to compare, because copy is 0, and every time the condition will become false. So here what to do, the number, or here we will write copy is equals to number. This statement is very important, and now here just write that it is 153, the number is Armstrong. And another example, anybody remember that another number? 1634. So just input that. It is 1634. This is the number, and it is also Armstrong. So children, it is not like that any number raised to the power 3. No, it is about the count. First of all, you need to count the total number of digits, and every digit raised to the power total number of digits. The sum of this term which will come is Armstrong. I hope you people have understood. So any query, then please tell. In case any query, any confusion, you can ask. Children, anybody is having any problem in for loop and while loop, please tell. You all have understood? You all have? And how was the paper? Subjective paper? Anything which was not taught? Everything was taught, children? Okay, now I am providing you the link so that you people can mark your attendance in the chat box. So in the chat box I am providing, and so after marking the attendance, if you have any doubt, you can stay. Otherwise, you people can leave the session. So in the next class, we will be explaining few more examples related with while, and we will also teach you nested looping. Got it? Okay. So any query, any confusion, you can ask. Welcome. Aditya Jain, any query? Okay. So both the programs, children, I will post on the GCR. Okay, welcome.